Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're one of those people out there that are saying, Yvette, why is the law of attraction working for other people and not for me? Why are my law of attraction rituals not working? And for everyone else, I'm hearing that everything is working well for them. Listen, if you're saying this, you landed on the right video. Today, I'm going to talk about the secret behind the secret, why some people attract and other people don't. And I'm going to give you the tips on what it is that they're doing that you're not doing. This video is quick. Only thing I'm asking for you to do is watch it to the end if you're really serious about changing your life. If you're new to this channel, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives nothing but manifestation techniques. On top of that, all types of spiritual lessons. No matter if we're talking about angels, blowing cinnamon, burning bay leaves, affirmations, scripting, mirror work, everything is right here all on one channel. If you want to have a shorter version of these videos, please visit me at My World of Metaphysics 2, which is called My World of Metaphysics Rituals, where you're going to get nothing but these videos in 5 minutes. Visit me at that channel. Everything is in the description. If you want to know anything about money manifestation, like the information I'm going to give you right now, please look into buying my Simple Money Rituals book, which is in the description. It's located on my website, located on Amazon. I'm back, everyone. Like, wow. So many people are writing saying, Yvette, why is it so many people are manifesting things? And for me, nothing seems to be working. Well, today I'm going to give you some of those tips and what you need to know. The first thing you need to know is that no matter what anyone tells you about blowing cinnamon, burning bay leaves, scripting, writing things 55 times, or doing mirror work, you guys all need to know everything starts from within. That's all you basically need to know at this point to start this off. You need to know that you have a supplier. Your supplier is the universe, is God. And God is always blessing you and wanting to give you whatever it is that you desire. But it all goes by universal laws. And you need to do these things or know these things so that you know that you're going in the right direction or not. Now, what are some of the things that you need to know? So let's just say you are planning to blow cinnamon in the house or burn bay leaves for the day. The first thing you need to know is you need to be clear on what it is that you desire. Clarity about your financial goals, clarity about your success or your prosperity or love, whatever it is you're trying to do. You need to be clear about what it is that you desire. If you're not clear, how is it that you expect the universe to be clear about what you desire? Again, the universe gives you what you desire, and if you're not clear, how can it be clear for you? The next thing is, and this is a biggie, is belief, you guys. You really need to believe in yourself. You really need to know that the universe wants to bless you and that you are a child of God and you are entitled to whatever it is that you desire. You are no different from Oprah Winfrey, Steve Harvey, Jim Carrey. All of these people at one point or another were you, okay? That's what you need to know. 50 Cent at one point was you. And whatever it is they got, it was because they believed in themselves. They believed in themselves so much that they never gave up. And that's why you're seeing them being so successful at this moment. Now, the next thing that I would tell you about manifestation and why it works for some people and not for others is your emotions, everyone. Your emotions basically could take you towards your dreams or away from your dreams. It's the emotional vibrational scale, you guys. So when you are trying to manifest something in your life and the next minute you're in doubt or you're in pain and you're just saying, oh my God, Yvette, I can't believe this is happening. You are basically pushing yourself away from whatever it is that you want. But when you are feeling happy and knowing that everything that you desire is already yours, you're bringing that towards you, okay? And it is just that simple. So when you do any ritual, law of attraction ritual, manifestation ritual, I need you in that happy state. I tell you guys all the time, pay attention to your gut feeling, pay attention to your emotions, and that will tell you by itself what direction you're going in. Now, the next thing is that I would tell you, no matter what it is that you desire, whether you're burning bay leaves, blowing cinnamon, always visualize what it is that you want. If you want that promotion at your job, see yourself with that promotion. Even if you're just picturing what you want, it is okay. If you want that car, picture the car. Okay? If you want that house, see that house. Okay? And if you want a promotion, see somebody congratulating you about whatever it is that you want. Visualize is powerful. And when you put visualization with emotions, with clarity and belief, whoa, you have to do nothing but manifest whatever it is that you want. The next thing that I would say is action, you guys. I tell you guys this on every single video that I put out. Action, action, action. You must take action in the direction of whatever it is that you desire in order for the universe to work through you to bring those things into your life. If you want a promotion, you have to put in the application. If you want to start your own business, you need to start taking action, going out there, looking for a place, figuring out what it is that you need to do, applying for grants. Whatever it is, you need to take action, you guys. Remember, again, the people you see that is at the top of the food chain right now, at one point or another, they were you, but they never gave up. They believed in who they were clear about what they wanted to do, and they kept moving on. Okay? And it has to manifest. Now, the next thing that I tell people, and I'm going to tell you guys too, and that's gratitude, you guys. Hey, look, regardless to whatever's going on right now in your life, you need to be grateful for whatever it is that you have. You need to be grateful for your children. You need to be grateful for your home, your car, your job, your health. You need to be grateful for whatever it is you have right now. And by doing so, the universe, God, will bless you even more. Now, the last thing that I want to say, and this is something that a lot of people have a problem with, and that is release and let go. When I talk to you and I say, hey, look, you're manifesting something, you're using law of attraction rituals, whether it's blowing cinnamon at the beginning of the month or burning a bay leaf, setting your intention, you need to release and let go. That's the whole purpose of burning the bay leaves. You're releasing and letting go, and you're blowing it out to the universe. You're allowing the universe to take control, to take over, and help you manifest whatever it is that you want. You don't go looking for it. You take action, you go on and you enjoy your life, and you know that it's already yours. When you believe that the universe is backing you, when you believe the God in you wants the best for you, and that you are a child of God, you would then move forward knowing boldly that whatever it is that you want, you're going to have, and you're not going to give up. These are the secrets to why some people manifest and other people don't. When I get people writing me, if it didn't work, I feel the energy, the negative energy, just by what they're writing. And then they wonder why it didn't work for them. Okay, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I just gave you some powerful information. If you guys want to know more about My World of Metaphysics, everything is in the description. If you just want rituals, 5-minute rituals, please visit my other channel. That's also in the description. If you want to buy candles and crystals and anything like that, please look there. You'll see that also. And don't forget to get my book, Simple Money Rituals. Again, this is Yvette, and namaste.